Welcome back to our channel Glamour Guru, where we make your beauty and wellness our priority. We're thrilled to have you here with us today as we delve into a topic that has troubled many of us at some point in our lives: acne. But remember, before we dive in, if you find our content useful, don't forget to watch, like, comment, and share our videos. Your support helps us bring more quality content your way. Stay tuned, because today we are going to reveal 10 DIY home remedies for acne that you can easily try at home. So are you ready to say goodbye to those stubborn pimples? Let's get started. Ever wake up to find a new, unwelcome guest occupying your face, ruining your day before it even starts? Acne, a common skin condition affecting millions, can be a real blow to self-esteem, making social interactions a challenge. It's not just about the physical discomfort. It's the constant search for an effective solution that doesn't break the bank. We understand the struggle and we're here to help. If you're nodding along, you're in the right place. Today, we bring you 10 DIY home remedies for acne. Diving right into our first remedy, it's all about the magic of honey and cinnamon. A mask made from these two powerhouses can help fight off acne-causing bacteria. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to create your mask, applying it to your face and letting it sit for 15 minutes before washing off. Next up, we have tea tree oil, a popular choice for many skin ailments. This oil works wonders due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. A few drops diluted with water can be applied directly onto the acne with a cotton swab. Our third remedy is green tea. Not only is it fantastic for your health when consumed, but it also has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties when applied topically. Simply brew a cup, let it cool, then use a cotton ball to apply it to your skin. Aloe vera is another natural wonder with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Apply the gel directly from the plant to your skin, or use a store-bought product that has aloe as its main ingredient. Fish oil supplements are our fifth remedy. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, known to improve skin health and reduce inflammation. Next, exfoliation. Regularly removing dead skin cells can help prevent clogged pores, one of the main culprits of acne. Use a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant a few times a week. A healthy diet is also crucial in managing acne. Foods high in antioxidants, like fruits and vegetables, can help reduce inflammation and promote healthier skin. Staying hydrated is our eighth remedy. Water helps to flush toxins out of the body, promoting healthier skin. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Regular exercise is another great way to improve your skin health. It increases blood flow, helping to nourish skin cells and keep them vital. Last but not least, adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to increased stress levels, which can trigger acne. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night for optimal skin health. Remember, consistency is key, so keep with your chosen remedy for at least a few weeks. In case you missed anything, let's quickly recap. We've explored 10 remarkable remedies for acne. Each one easy to prepare and apply from the comfort of your own home. From the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of green tea to the antibacterial effects of honey and cinnamon, we've seen how nature's pantry can be a powerful ally in skincare. We've also discussed the potential of certain kitchen staples, like apple cider vinegar and oatmeal, in balancing your skin's pH levels and reducing inflammation. The exfoliating and oil absorption capabilities of baking soda and turmeric were also highlighted, as well as the soothing effects of aloe vera and the antimicrobial action of tea tree oil. Each of these remedies presents a unique approach to tackling acne, offering not only a reduction in breakouts but also a natural, chemical-free path to healthier skin. Acne can be a challenging problem, but with patience, consistency, and these DIY remedies, you can fight back. Always bear in mind you are not alone in this fight against acne. It's a common foe we all face at some point. These 10 DIY remedies are your arsenal, your toolkit. Experiment with them. See what works wonders for your unique skin. Results may vary, and that's okay. It's all about finding what suits you best. Patience is key in this journey towards clearer skin. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your skin does not define your beauty. Stay confident and keep glowing.